The Wi-Fi direct option that we saw for printing earlier is applicable only for offline documents that are there on your mobile or laptop. But if you are connected to the internet and if you want to print something from your email or online documents, we need to connect the printer through Wi-Fi. To check if WPS is enabled in my Airtel router, you have to open a browser and type 192.168.1.1, type the user ID and password as admin and login. And in the options on the left panel, select network. Under network, select wireless 5 GHz. If you scroll down, you will see the option enable WPS. Ensure that it is enabled. Right now I see it as disabled. Click on it and change it to enable. On the printer control panel, press the three dots for main menu and then select network, and under network go to Wi-Fi and select WPS option and select push button configuration PBC. The display now shows push WPS on the router within 2 minutes. So I go back to my router. You can see that the WPS light is not glowing. On the back there is a WPS button. Just click it once and then you will see that the router and printer are connected, and it will also display the Wi-Fi name. Now you are all set for printing, so you can use your mobile or laptop and print anything from the internet.